Next caller in 30 seconds.
Okay, and what kind of stories are you looking up for next serials and all? What
I
would you like
I
to work
only do
on?
stories which are not regressive. That's a very difficult thing. That's why I think I'm not doing any work right now because I don't pick up a show only to get paid. I mean, obviously, money is very important, but I choose to do work which is substantial and my role is
Okay.
substantial. अभी तक मैंने ऐसा ही काम किया.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, Riddhi.
Hi.
Hi, Riddhi. I'm Imran from Faridabad.
Hi, Imran.
Hi, how are you?
Very good, very good.
Yeah, Riddhi, I'm a big fan of yours. I mean, I had a huge crush on you in Naturally 6, and I'm so glad, I'm talking to you right now, seriously.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. I'm very happy to speak to you too.
And I wanted to ask you a question. I saw you in Naturally 6, and you look very, very pretty. And same in case of, you know, so I just want to ask you, how did you change, I mean, moment in, Naturally and Fear Factor? I mean, what was that one thing that you changed?
In both the shows,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I think Nach Baliya was more fun. I think every girl loves dancing. So after Nach Baliya, I think I don't know. I think I did Nach Baliya mostly for the fun, but Khatron Ke Khiladi taught me a lot because that was one show where I really had to challenge myself and I had to, overcome a lot of problems every day in my head. So खतरों की खिलाड़ी ने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखा दिया. It taught me that I have to believe in myself and that if we put our mind to something, nothing is impossible.
Aniti, I wanted to know one more thing. That is this show, I mean, Khatro Ke Khiladi, is it scripted or something, or is it the natural way of they do it?
It's absolutely real. There is no scripting, none whatsoever. You'll not believe the stunts. We were not even made to see the stunts. They used to make us sit in a bus away from where the stunts were, so that we could not even see what the stunts were planned like. So nothing was scripted.
Okay, okay. Thanks a lot, baby. Nice talking to you. Seriously,
Yeah,
thank you
same
very, very
here.
much. I'm so glad. I'm so glad I'm talking to you. Thank you.
Oh, bye.
Bye bye. Take care.
Bye. Take care.
Hello.
Yes. Hi.
Hi, Riddhi. This is Swati from Delhi.
Hi. Hi, Swati. Okay.
So, Riddhi, so my question is, you had a love marriage or arranged marriage?
It was a love marriage. We met on the set of a show that we did, Maryada.
Acha, acha. Okay, okay. And so he was your co-star, Rakesh, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So how long it's been that you're married?
We will complete 4 years, no, 5 years in May, this 29th.
Oh, wow. So congrats.
No, 4 years.
Okay.
We got
Not a
married in
problem.
2011. Are you married?
Acha, okay, okay, okay. So, tell
Are
me
you are
about
you
that.
married or you're not
Yeah,
married?
I am married. I got married
You're
in
married, so you'll understand now. You forget
yeah.
years and all that after a particular time.
I know.
Everything seems the same.
Same. So how is life after marriage? As in, I know that you're still working, but क्या है कुछ आपको लग रहा है कोई change मतलब in terms of पहले before marriage and after marriage क्या है?
I think yeah, earlier I was very, very carefree. Now I'm still carefree because that's a part of who I am as a person. But I think now I have to be carefree responsibly. So that's the difference. I have to be responsible for him as well. And so I think that's the only difference. Earlier I would just do, think, say whatever I wanted to say without having to worry about the consequences. But now it's not like that. But that's a good change. I think if someone is there in your life to make you a better person, I don't think you mind the responsibility.
I know, I know. So true, so true. So you cook and all?
I don't cook. I hate cooking. I'm telling you, as a woman to woman chat I'm having with you, I hate to cook. Okay, but because I love to eat, I'm a foodie. But yeah, I cook for Rakesh sometimes.
But
Mostly,
you're
I give the
thin.
recipe to my cook,
But
and he cooks what I ask him to cook.
you're so thin. So how come you're a foodie? So you work out
Because
and all.
I work out a lot. I work out morning and then evening also I do some dance or some jogging or something. I either go swimming, so I have to work out if I have to eat because I love eating.
Good.
Yeah.
Nice, good inspiration for me. इतना वर्कआउट
Yes.
करना. But actually I'm
मैं
working, तो
बहुत
मेरे को
वर्कआउट
तो
करती
इतना time ही नहीं मिलता because
हूँ.
office
Exactly.
आओ.
नहीं, I know. I can
So
understand.
you
Even
know.
when I do my shows, I don't get time. It's only right now I'm free, so I'm making the most of it. So what I
हाँ.
normally tell people on reserve when I do a show. So I'll use this for and maintain it when I'm doing a show.
Good. That's nice. So it was lovely speaking to you, and good to know that we both are married. And I think so. Even I don't like cooking. So it's
Nice.
nice to know that someone
Absolutely.
else is also on the same league.
Absolutely. Hello.
हेलो रिद्धि.
Hi.
हाय रिद्धि, मैं सुधा बोल रही हूँ दिल्ली से.
Hi, Sudha.
हाय. मैं आपकी सीरियल्स बहुत ज़्यादा देखती हूँ और मर्यादा सीरियल आपका मैंने शुरू से देखा है और मुझे आपका
Okay,
किरदार
thank
बहुत अच्छा
you.
लगा था. हाँ, मुझे आपका
जी.
किरदार सीरियल में बहुत अच्छा लगा. एक बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग शेड आपने दिखाया है
जी.
एक विमेन के कैरेक्टर का. तो मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि आप इतनी यंग हैं, तो उस एज में इतनी मैच्योरिटी वाला रोल आपने कैसे प्ले करा? आपको कैसे इतनी अच्छी मोटिवेशन आई? बिकॉज मैं बहुत इम्प्रेस थी और बहुत मोटिवेटेड थी आपका रोल देखने.
आई थिंक इट वाज एक तो मतलब ऑनेस्टली मर्यादा जो शो बनाया था वो बहुत अनलाइक था डेली सोप से. इट वाज बहुत बहुत पैशनेट टीम थी उसमें इन्वॉल्व, चैनल की तरफ से और प्रोडक्शन हाउस की तरफ से. तो आई थिंक उन लोगों ने मुझे जो भी ब्रीफ दिया, फर्स्टली मैंने वो फॉलो किया. कभी कभी एज एन एक्टर आपको नहीं समझ में आता है आप कैसे करो क्या करो, सो देन यू फॉलो द ब्रीफ गिवन टू यू बाय द क्रिएटिव. और वो बहुत पैशनेट थे, वो हर डिटेल में जाते थे, इवन आवर डायरेक्टर. तो आई थिंक आई वुड गिव क्रेडिट टू देम, क्योंकि मर्यादा के जो शो था उस पर मैंने एक्टिंग ऑलमोस्ट सीखी थी. तो आई वुड गिव देम फुल क्रेडिट.
अच्छा. और आपका एक्सपीरियंस, आप जैसे अपने हस्बैंड के साथ ऑब्वियसली आपने बहुत सारे, जैसे नच बलिए में आप थी और आप मर्यादा में भी उन्हीं के साथ में थी, तो आप थोड़ा अनकम्फर्टेबल फील नहीं करती किसी के साथ में एक्टिंग करने में, या इसलिए तो बाकी किसी कैरेक्टर के साथ में आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता कि लोगों को आदत हो गई है देखने की, क्योंकि आप लोगों की केमिस्ट्री इतनी अच्छी नजर आती है पर्दे पे कि लोग फिर और किसी के साथ देखना पसंद नहीं करते.
आई होप ऐसा मत बोलो यार. वी कांट कीप एक्टिंग विद ईच अदर, बहुत बोरिंग हो जाएगा. पर राकेश आई थिंक वो किसी भी लड़की के साथ स्क्रीन पे आता है, ही लुक्स रियली गुड. उसकी केमिस्ट्री सबके साथ बहुत अच्छी आती है. और ये मैं पर्सनली उसको बोलती हूँ. मुझे पहले लगता था कि हाँ शायद सिर्फ मैं हूँ जिसके साथ उसकी केमिस्ट्री अच्छी आती है, बट ही in his own words he says he can romance a pillar. So I and that leaves me wondering, so what was all that he did, was it all fake? But I think as actors we need to work with other actors. We can't keep working with each other, and उसी में मजा आता है कि आप क्रिएट करें केमिस्ट्री डिफरेंट लोगों के साथ. And so yeah, I think audience is also okay with it. I don't know, आप बोल रहे हैं कि आपको सिर्फ मैं और राकेश ही साथ में अच्छे लगते हैं, तो ठीक है, हम आपके लिए कुछ करेंगे आगे. हमने किया था एक्चुअली, we did a small telefilm for Z which aired on New Year's last year, this year in fact. So I think if you yeah, you can go on YouTube and you can see it. We did something after a very long time together.
ओके, बढ़िया. ठीक है, आपको आपके भविष्य के लिए बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं. थैंक यू.
Thank you.
बाय बाय.
Bye. Hello.
Hello, is it Riddhi?
Hi, yes it is.
Hi Riddhi, how are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
I'm also good. Riddhi, this is Dinesh from Mumbai.
Hi.
I have a very small question for you.
Okay.
I don't watch much serials, but I've heard about you. So are you anytime planning to start in movies?
Yes, I want to. Movies is not something that I'm chasing, but I'll definitely do something if something exciting comes up. I don't want to wait. If I get any role which makes me like challenge myself, I'll definitely do it, and that's what I'm looking for. I'm really I'm going meeting people, testing for roles and films. So let's see. Hopefully, in some more time, you'll hear something about me doing a film, or if I get a challenging, role in television, I'll do something in TV.
Okay, great. Because till now we have seen you in serials which are, mostly family-based serials, right?
Yeah.
But yet to see something from you which is a little, hatke.
Right. Yes,
Yeah.
I will do. I will do something. It's very nice to hear that. A lot of people who personally tell me that you should do films because you can do something hatke. So I hope to do something like that very soon in the future.
Okay, sure. Nice. So it was nice talking to you.
Yes.
I hope to see you.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. It was
Have a
nice
good
talking to
day.
you too. Have a good day.
Yeah. Wish you same. Bye bye.
Bye.
Hi.
Hi. Yes.
I have asked one question from you.
Yes. Tell me.
What is your experience in खतरों के खिलाड़ी सीजन 7?
बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा खतरों के खिलाड़ी में। बहुत मज़ा आया। मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मैं ऐसा कुछ करूँगी अपनी लाइफ में। इतना सारा एडवेंचर मैंने 1 महीने में कर लिया। सो इट वाज डेफिनेटली अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस एंड आई डोंट थिंक आई एम डन विद एडवेंचर्स इन माय लाइफ नाउ। आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू एनी मोर एडवेंचर्स।
लेकिन मैंने आपका देखा एपिसोड बहुत अच्छे लगे।
थैंक यू
आपके
सो
टास्क
मच।
जितने भी
थैंक
थे वो
यू।
बहुत अच्छे थे।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
इट्स ओके। थैंक यू।
ओके।